This is sung by a friend of mine who left home for a while and feared that when he came back, things wouldn't be the same. It's out in Kahalu, and things are pretty much the same out there for the longest time. It's beautiful out there. His name is Jerry Santos of Olomana. I remember days when we were younger. Used to catch a whirlpool in the mountain stream, and round the Kolau hills we'd ride on horseback. So long ago it seems it was a dream. Last night I dreamt I was returning, and my heart called out to you. But I fear you won't be as I left you. And I remember days when we were wiser, and our world was small enough for dreams. And you have lingered there, my sister, and I no longer can receive. Last night I dreamt I was returning, and my heart called out to you. But I fear you won't be as I left you. Change is a strange thing, it cannot be denied. It can help you find yourself or make you lose your pride, and move with it slowly on the road we go. Please do not hold on to me, we all must go alone. When we were smiling, we laughed and sang the whole night long, and I would greet you as I find you, my friend, with the sharing of a brand new song. Last night I dreamt I was returning, and my heart called out to you. But I fear you won't be as I left you. Ke aloha ku me o Ke aloha ku me o